So it's 6:09 p.m., August 26, 2019. And I just got a scan on my chest. And here is the electrical field readings. So this is my other detector going off next to me. So this is me. Detector is touching me. And here is the other detector touching me as well. And here is the readings, the readings. Just got a huge scan on my chest. Take my body away. Touch my body again. Take my body away. Touch my body again. So the scan was aimed at my body. The beam was aimed at my body. So if I take this and I put it there, the detector, and it's not touching anything right now, take my body away from the table, the reading goes all the way down. Touching my body again, that's me. So somebody said outside, Carlos just asked for a scan, and I heard my account, I am being monitored globally, 6 or 7 people, and there are several people scanning my body, pulsing my body remotely, and these numbers would prove that. So I'll just close off there, 3 minutes. $1,900 plus. 2,000 plus.